In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pingo and Findmykids apps with a clear, step-by-step guide. These apps help you keep track of your kids' location and ensure their safety. So let's get started. First, download and install both the Pingo and Findmykids apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Open the Pingo app and create an account by entering your email and setting a password. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your child's device. You'll need to install the Pingo app on your child's phone as well and link it to your account. Once connected, you can see your child's real-time location, set safe zones, and receive alerts if they enter or leave these areas. Next, open the Findmykids app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Add your child's device by following the setup prompts, which include installing the app on their phone and granting necessary permissions. With Findmykids, you can also track your child's location, listen to surrounding sounds for safety, and get notifications for specific activities. Both apps offer easy-to-use interfaces and customizable settings to fit your family's needs. That's it! Now you know how to use Pingo and Findmykids apps to stay connected and keep your kids safe. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful app tutorials.